A picture might be worth 1,000 words, but in statistics, a good graph is worth 1,000 rows of data. Our brains are built to see patterns and shapes, not numbers. But a graph can also lie. The secret to telling the difference is learning their language. Let's start with the most important rule. Look at a graph with bars. Are there gaps between them? If you're comparing separate things, like favorite sports or car brands, you'll use a column graph. Those gaps are crucial. They signal that the data is in distinct categories. You can't be halfway between a Toyota and a Ford. But what if you're graphing something that flows, like height or weight? That's when you use a histogram. Here, the bars must touch, no gaps. This shows the data is continuous, that 170 centimeters flows seamlessly into 171. Just by looking for gaps, you can instantly understand the nature of the data. Other graphs have their own rules. A dot plot is great for small data sets because it shows every single data point, making it easy to spot outliers. A stem and leaf plot cleverly uses the actual numbers to create its shape, but it's useless without a key telling you if 5 bar 2 means 52 or 5.2. And when you see a line graph, immediately think time. It's tracking change. But always look at the vertical axis. Does it start at 0? A broken scale is a classic trick to make a tiny change look like a huge disaster. So next time you see a chart, don't just glance, interrogate it. Look for gaps, check the labels, find the key. That's how you uncover the real story the numbers are trying to tell you.